cloudy today. It rained last night. It's a white Rio that I planted 2 days ago in this spot. And I have this irises that came back from that I believe I planted this 2 years ago. And here's another one. And I have this clematis that I don't know if it's gonna survive. And Asiatic lilies are healthy. They're beautiful. And day lilies are back. Some lilies, Asiatic lilies, and I have this irises. And this one is so pretty with these pink flowers, which I don't know. I cannot remember the name. I lost the tag, but it's so pretty. Beautiful. And this one came back. I cannot remember the name. I lost the tag. And I have this bleeding heart, a Valentine bleeding heart, and another bleeding heart, a pink bleeding heart that my dog chewed up. Now it's coming back. And some Asiatic lilies. And this one, I don't know the name, but this will bloom. They have beautiful flowers. And the Dr. Rupel clematis, beautiful. Look at that. And this one, the Elsie azalea, so pretty. Wow, love this, so gorgeous flowers. And this one, creeping Jenny, which I planted last year. They're getting healthier. They're back. And this one, which I also lost the tag, I don't know the name, which I also planted last year. Oh, I love this foliage. Wow, beautiful. And I have some hostas here. Lovely. I love hostas. Getting bigger every year. And this one, I think this is the Abadabadu. Yeah, it's the Abadabadu hosta. And this one next to it is the Fire Island hosta. And some lilies. No, irises. These are irises. And hostas. And here I have the Cascade azalea. White flower. Beautiful, so stunning. And I have another there, another hosta. Yep. Other side of the garden, this is the hydrangea, getting bigger. I don't know what kind of variety is this, but it's gonna be blooming summertime, and it has white flowers. And this one, beautiful hosta, which I lost the tag. Yeah, but look at this, so pretty. Wow. And this one is another hosta. Oh, wow, so pretty. And I have a new plant here. This is the crazy blue Russian sage, which I was planning to plant 2 days ago, but I forgot. Yeah, so I'm gonna be planting this here. There's another hosta there and more hostas. And I have a rose. And this is hydrangea, which my dog knocked down. It was in the pot, but he knocked it down, so here it's in the ground. And then the brunera, the heart shape. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. Beautiful flowers. I love this. Wow. And more hostas. And I have some potted lobelias. Pretty. And begonias and nicotianas. Yep, they're in the pots. And this big, beautiful plant that is getting bigger every year. This is the appled willow Hakoronishki. Yeah, the appled willow, I don't know, appled willow Hakoronishiki. That's the name. So pretty, beautiful. And another hosta here. I believe this is the French fries or crinkled hosta. And I have salvia and more salvias here. Pink salvia. They are pretty. And a rose. And this is the daylily Chicago Apache. Nice name. And another hosta and a rose and another pink salvia. And here is the phlox. Beautiful phlox. So pretty. And the peony. Beautiful. Lots of flowers. have some annuals here that I will be planting maybe tomorrow or maybe this afternoon.